You're gonna love the 2023 Nissan Altima. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.